guys, I'm drinking hot chocolate.
Yeah,
And
hi
I
guys, I'm drinking hot chocolate.
and also I
Then
bring
I'm so exciting about
man,
my new
listen to
video. Listen to me, I'm making video.
listen to
Yeah,
I'm drinking hot chocolate. Also I
I'm
drink
drinking
hot
hot
chocolate.
chocolate also.
I have a
I have
hot news for you.
hot news for you.
Yeah.
She said to you, listen to her.
It's recording?
Yeah,
Allah Allah.
let's check
Let's check.
our new coin. Honk, honk. I say sometimes honk, you say honk. Doesn't matter. This is also my new baby coins HON already listed the CoinGecko. As you see, almost 1 billion. There is HON coin. Then 125 people checking. Let's check this coin detail token. Sorry, we say token. Then they have holders 6%, 5%, 4%. Market cap almost $900,000. Then price 87,665. Let me check website. Their website. I think so lovely. They share Telegram, Twitter, live shares, contracts. You can check Telegram. Also, they have now 509 subscribers. Then let me check their Instagram 1189. As I say, this is baby coin. You can't expecting too much followers. Something. Let me check again website. Then they share their honk bonk killer. This is so funny. Also, yeah, animation. They have animation something. Then how you can buy? You can buy with Phantom wallet. You can buy like this. My try try wallet like this. I didn't buy yet because I will watch this coin. You should watch and be careful. I never give you invested investment advice. What happened?
Nothing. Carry on.
If you wanna say something.
Nothing. You're doing great.
That's it. My lovely followers. If you like my video and my coin, subscribe my channel and likes. Have a good day.